Create your own warehouse management program for 756 items. Entering the main program code. The input mask is created. Now, all you need to do is paste the main program code. You'll receive the main code as a Word file via email. The contact email address can be found in the video description. In the VBA editor, double-click the user form 1 element, then select the entire contents of the editor using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A and delete it. In the Word file, select all the content using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A, copy it and paste the copied content into the VBA editor. The third and fifth worksheets should be hidden. The program is finished. The program allows you to manage a warehouse with up to 756 items. The user enters item numbers, descriptions, and units in the Items worksheet. The program then calculates the stock levels and total values. The program maintains an account for each item. The program records 4 types of transactions: access, acquisition costs, credit, discount, and removal certificate. When recording an acquisition, the quantity and amount are specified. When recording acquisition costs, the quantity is entered as 0. When entering credits and discounts, only the amount is specified. A withdrawal certificate is generated for each withdrawal. All generated withdrawal certificate are available. You only need to enter the withdrawal certificate number. All entries are recorded in the journal under their own identification number. Individual or all entries can be deleted. The password is the number 3.